Hey baby girls, I have my girlfriend Hannah in the studio, and in today's video I'm going to be targeting her dull, tired skin to give her a radiant glow and make her feel super pampered, ready for the Christmas holidays. I first begin to cleanse the skin using Esper's Calming Cleansing Balm. This will help to lift the dirt and build-ups away from the skin while promoting a calmer surface across Hannah's face. This also helps to lessen the look of redness, and the soothing balm will shield her complexion against dryness using kabuki butter and natural oils. I add a little water to the formula to transform this into a milk. I then use warm water and sponges to remove the milky cleanser. Also, so many ask about where I get my sponges from. They are from my beauty suppliers called Salons Direct, and they are just the large facial sponges. Now I'm ready to exfoliate the skin. I'm using my favourite Bubur enzyme and vitamin C cleanser. This product is so beautiful. It's a 2-in-1 enzyme-based cleansing and peeling powder. This product is honestly amazing for every skin type, with it being effective but not too abrasive. I then use a little water to emulsify the enzyme peeling agent, and I use friction movements to deeply cleanse the skin. Using clean water and fresh sponges, I remove the enzyme peel. I then use a hydrating toner to tone the skin. I also use the toner to ensure I have removed all traces of the enzyme powder. I use another toner by Tropics called Morning Mist, and then my skin is prepped and ready for the facial massage. Today's facial oil is Natural Elements Calming Facial Oil. It's a light and easily absorbed oil that soothes redness and calms irritation and inflammation. Facial massage is so important. It can improve your skin's appearance whilst releasing tension in your face, and it can maximise the effectiveness of your beauty products. Not to mention, it just feels so dreamy. Once I finish with the facial massage, I use vitamin C brightening under eye gel patches. This helps lighten the appearance of dark circles, and it also works to soothe puffiness and irritation. I then mix my mask. Today I'm using Fresh Floral Recovery Overnight Mask. This mask features a powerful blend of floral extracts including cornflower, passion flower, peony and cherry blossom that works to calm signs of sensitivity such as uneven skin tone, rough texture and redness. I apply this all over the face using a fan brush, not forgetting the décolletage. I then wet some cotton pads in some calming toner and apply these over the eyes. Whilst the face mask is on for 10 minutes, I perform a hand and arm massage for a truly relaxing experience. The mask is now ready to be removed. Again, I use fresh warm water and sponges to remove the mask. I tone the skin again using a hydrating toner and also to ensure all the mask is fully removed. Once the face is fully dry, I finish the skin using Esper's 24-hour replenishing moisturiser. This beautiful moisturiser offers dry, thirsty and sensitive skin a cooling burst of refreshing moisture that will last all day. caressing the skin with its rich velvety texture that spreads over the skin like butter. It also smells so beautiful. And let's not forget to hydrate those lips using Nuke's Honey Lip Balm. And to finish around the eyes, I use Esper's 24-hour replenishing eye cream. I then apply Esper's Lift and Firm Neck and Décolletage Balm. This will help with tightening the neck and nourishing the skin. And to awaken the skin, I use Tropics Morning Mist Toner. The spray on this bottle is honestly the best thing. It's such a light mist, it feels so refreshing. Just look at this skin glow. How beautiful and hydrated does the skin look? No sensitivity, just pure gorgeousness. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!